now that you found a channel manager, how do you figure out what to pay them?
So it varies. People have different wants, right? Some people want stability, right? They want a certain salary per month to make sure they know guaranteed no matter what the channel performs at, they can pay their bills. Others, they want a larger percentage because they see the future upside of the channel. So what I like to do is I like to make sure my channel managers always have some type of skin in the game, because if I just give them flat salary, there's not much incentive for them to get the channel to perform at a high level. So here's usually two different compensations I'll do depending on the person. The first compensation is I won't give anyone a monthly salary, but I will go ahead and give them a percentage of 20 to sometimes 30% of the net revenue that the channel provides. And then on top of that, sometimes what I'll do is if they want a salary, like I said, I'll give them sometimes around, it depends on the channel performance of what I think it could do, but sometimes it's about $4,000 a month I'll pay and 5% of the net revenue of the channel. So it really, you have to make sure it balances out with salary and percentage. I have to give someone a percentage because I truly believe that if their skin is not in the game long term, they are not incentivized to get us to perform, and so they have to have some type of bonus if they perform with us as a channel manager.